Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Christine Zige. If you are new, subscribe down below to give me the subscriptions and help me grow. Thank you so much for the 644 subscribers that I have currently. So please, if you're a new subscriber and you're watching this, please subscribe at least so that I can grow and be part of the YouTube channel and be part of my YouTube family. So straight on today's video, guys. This year's dreams have been so intense for me, but I thank God I've been able to achieve almost everything that was in my bucket list. I wanted a sofa set and I got a sofa set. I wanted a gas cooker, I got a gas cooker, and the last item for this year is the washing machine, which is right behind me. Here goes the washing machine, and I want all of you to be with me as I go through and unbox my washing machine. I've never used a washing machine in my life. I've never seen a washing machine except in the supermarket, and I thank God that today nimepata uwezo wa kujinunulia washing machine, and I'm so excited about myself. I'm so happy for the year 2021, and I'm looking forward for 2022. More dreams, more goals. Let's swim together. So I'll go straight into the video. Let's unbox. So guys, I'll quickly cut through the ropes. Na hii washing machine nimepata through pesa za chama. Mimi I'm not rich. Sina uwezo, lakini kwa uwezo wa Mungu nimefanikiwa. Hii pesa ya chama ya hii washing machine nimeipata through pesa ya chama. It's called Glam My Home. Kuna rafiki yangu on Facebook aliniingiza, yuaitwa Nafisa. Thank you so much Nafisa. Nafisa amenisaidia nimeweza kununua sofa set. Nafisa amenisaidia nimeweza kununua gas cooker, and here I am with my new washing machine. It's because of Nafisa and the ladies in the group who are amazing and timely in doing their contributions. So guys, let's unbox tuone venye inakaa, then tutajua. Woo, I'm happy. There you go. Sasa nitaikatia wapi? So let's unbox my washing machine. Nitaikata maana I don't have a man in the house. I'm very much single, no man in the house. This one goes down here. My God, so huge. Okay, I'll have to cut this one up. I'll show you guys, don't worry, I'll show you. I'll bring the camera close, but in the meantime I'll just cut it open because I can't carry it. Cut everything open, then I'll show you how it looks. There we go. Here is the washing machine. This washing machine is from Top Notch Appliances. Thank you so much, Top Notch Appliances. Sijui wafanywaje. Nadhani ni cover. And I also got this one because yangu ilichomeka. I also got this jug. Nilinunua jug yangu ilichomeka na sometimes kuna baridi. So I also got this. Okay, this one, it's a water jug. Haya, but huko kuitumia sijui yatumiwaje. I have to Google. So how does this work? Okay, there's a manual. I'll be reading through the manual to see how it works. Okay, let me bring you guys closer so that you can see this new washing machine. Sasa inaweza bandika kucha maana sifuri. Kuna pipe sijui ya fungwaje. What's this? I don't know. We've got the buttons here. Nadhani hiyo pipe itaingia hapa. I'll have to google everything. Hapa ni air dryer. Oh, hichi chatupwa hichi cha hapa. What's this? What am I even doing with this? Ushamba utaniua. So here goes. I don't know. I'll Google everything. I'll watch other YouTubers who have bought and reviewed how this thing is used, so that I'll be able to know how it's used. Okay. Okay. Ui, hata tuavunje hata before bad. Oh, steamer. Hii ni ya maji. Kuna hii. Kuna ya socket hapa. So this is how it is. It is what it is. So thank you so much guys for watching my video. I'll be back with a new video soon on how I'll be using it, because sijui ni pipe gani yaingia wapi, sijui yatumikaje, sijui yawashwaje. I'll be back with a new video and maybe another video with a review of this product. It's a Mika 10 kg twin tab. No, it's not twin tab. I guess it's one tab and an air dryer. So thank you so much guys for watching. See you again in my next video. I love you guys, and if you haven't subscribed, please kindly subscribe down below to help me grow. It's your baby girl and your all-time favorite. Bye bye.